you vote in November is about to change.
An appeals court ruled the Texas voter ID law is discriminatory and needs fixing. Specifically, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals ruling found the effect of the law hurts the poor and minorities. The court says changes are needed to make sure the law can work. However, the court said it needs to be done to avoid affecting the upcoming presidential election. KXAN investigator Kevin Schwaller went out today and found someone who had their vote taken away by the Texas law and just how lawmakers could fix things for you this November.
I voted for LBJ for president.
Pat Crow says she voted in every election since then, but only once her vote didn't count.
A lot of the stuff they wouldn't accept.
Crow says she had a stroke. She couldn't drive. Her driver license lapsed, and the voter ID law prevented Travis County from counting her vote this year.
Well, they just took that off and didn't count it.
As the Travis County Clerk's Office prepares for 2016, it's now waiting for guidance on how the ruling against voter ID will change things for you at the polls.
I know we will have some form of photo identification, so by all means plan to bring what you have. But I think we will see probably a broader example of the kinds of photo ID you can bring in.
How rampant or not, one illegal vote, one fraudulent vote is one too many.
Texas Senator Charles Perry of Lubbock helped write the voter ID law. He maintains the law is not discriminatory and says the legislature will be looking at the rules again.
We'll find the magic formula that eases their objections and get it back in the system going forward.
For now, expect changes. Crow heard the news moments before our interview.
I thought, thank God.
No matter what, with a new state ID in hand, Crow is prepared to vote. Kevin Schwaller, KXAN, investigates.
The opinion of the court also directed that any solution should also respect the legislature's intent to safeguard the integrity of elections. Attorney General Ken Paxton said preventing voter fraud is essential. He called today's ruling unfortunate. And while it's still unclear at this time the exact changes the state will make to voter ID before the election, you still can get the needed photo ID. We have a whole list of the previously accepted valid ID at our website. And for anyone needing one, the Texas Department of Public Safety will issue you one, an election certificate, free of charge.